Welcome to Scriptico. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of lambda functions in Python. These special functions are distinct from the traditional functions we define with the def keyword. They are small, anonymous, and incredibly useful for short tasks. In this example, we see a lambda function that simply adds 1 to the input number. But why are these functions so significant in Python? Lambda functions hold great importance in Python for a few key reasons. First, they offer simplicity, enabling us to write quick functions for small tasks, where full function definitions might be excessive. They also work seamlessly with other functions like map, filter, and sorted, enhancing code readability. Moreover, they are integral to functional programming, which emphasizes functions as first-class citizens. So, where does the term lambda come from? It traces back to mathematics and logic, rooted in lambda calculus introduced by Alonzo Church in the 1930s. This fascinating system studies functions without naming them, and computer scientists adopted the term to pay homage to its origins. Lambda functions perfectly align with functional programming, where functions transform data rather than modifying it. For instance, we can use a lambda function to quickly square a list of numbers. Now let's delve into the basic syntax of a lambda function. It follows a straightforward structure: lambda arguments, expression. For example, here's a lambda function that adds 2 numbers. And here's one that finds the maximum of 2 numbers. Deciding between lambda functions and regular functions defined with def, consider the task at hand. Lambda is ideal for small temporary functions, especially within higher order functions like map or filter. In contrast, if you're tackling a larger task that requires multiple expressions or reuse, the def keyword is the way to go. Let's review the advantages and limitations of lambda functions. They are concise and can improve readability by allowing inline use. However, their simplicity can be a double-edged sword. Since they can only contain a single expression, they may not be suitable for more complex tasks. Additionally, excessive use of lambda functions can hinder code readability. Now, let's explore some advanced use cases. Lambda functions shine when used with functions like map, filter, and reduce. For example, we can apply a lambda to square numbers in a list. We can also use lambda with filter to create a list of even numbers. Additionally, we can leverage reduce from functools to apply a function across a list, reducing it to a single value. Another exciting application of lambda functions is in sorting. By using them as the key argument in the sorted function, we can customize sorting behavior. Did you know that lambda functions can be nested? This means you can define one lambda function inside another. Let's look at how lambda functions are used in popular Python libraries. For example, in pandas, lambda functions work seamlessly with the apply method to modify data in data frames. In Django, lambda functions can be utilized in models and views for brief operations, such as sorting query results. And in tkinter, lambda functions are often used to pass parameters to callback functions, enhancing user interface interactivity. In the realm of data science, where data manipulation is key, lambda functions can streamline code significantly. For instance, you can quickly apply transformations to clean data, such as converting strings to lowercase. They are also invaluable for feature engineering, enabling you to create new features from existing data. And for quick analysis, Lambda functions can efficiently analyze and aggregate data. In conclusion, Lambda functions are a powerful and flexible tool in the Python programmer's arsenal. They allow for quick function definitions, ideal for simple tasks, particularly when paired with functions like map, filter, and sorted. To truly appreciate Lambda functions, experiment with them in your own projects. Discover how they can clean up your code and enhance efficiency. Just remember, while they are quite powerful, moderation is key to maintaining code readability. Happy coding!